The handheld steam cleaner, Model X123, offers a powerful cleaning experience with its 1050 watts of power, heating up in only 3 to 5 minutes to provide intense steam cleaning for up to 15 minutes. Utilizing pure water heated to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, this cleaner provides a natural and eco-friendly cleaning solution without the need for harmful chemicals or artificial fragrances, making it safe for family use. Equipped with a safety lock and cap, this steam cleaner ensures peace of mind during operation around children and pets, delivering a safe and effective cleaning experience. The Model X123 is designed to tackle a wide range of household cleaning tasks, effortlessly reaching difficult corners and angles, and is suitable for surfaces like kitchen sinks, barbecue grills, and more. Its compact and lightweight design, along with a 9.8-foot power cord, allows for easy portability and efficient cleaning throughout the home or office. With a versatile 10-piece accessory set, this steam cleaner provides exceptional results for various cleaning and ironing tasks, ensuring a comprehensive and thorough clean for your home.